So as you get installing apps, you'll find that you may have many pages of them. And after time, those apps might become difficult to find. One useful thing is to put your apps into folders. So if you can determine some apps that have similarities, you can put them together into a folder and save some screen space on your iPad. For instance, on this page of apps, you can see in the third row there are 4 apps that are all Google related. It would make sense to put those apps together into a folder. Here's how you do that. I'm going to just touch and hold down on any app, and that will put me into Wiggle Jiggle mode. When you're in Wiggle Jiggle mode, you can do things like move apps. We can move an app from one page to another if we want to. You'll notice the X in the top left-hand corner of each app. That X will allow you to delete the app. So use caution when you're moving these apps around that you don't accidentally delete one. Now, to create a folder of those 4 Google-related apps, I'm going to just take one of those apps and drag it on top of another one. And when I see that special highlighting take place, I can let go, and now I've created a folder. The iPad sort of guesses at an appropriate name for the folder. Here it's chosen Utilities. I don't really care for that. I want this folder to be titled Google Stuff. So I'm going to just delete that and type in my own folder name. I'm going to tap Done, and now I have my Google Stuff folder. Now I can go and continue to do this process with my other Google apps, touching them, dragging them on top of that folder, and when I see that special highlighting, letting go. And that will place those apps into that special folder. Okay, to get out of Wiggle Jiggle mode, I'm just going to press the Home button at the very bottom of my iPad, and now I'm back into regular mode. To get at the apps in that folder, all I have to do is touch the folder to expand it, and now I have access to those apps.